Looking to save time writing emails? I've got a tool that you're not going to want to miss that helps draft emails for you. Let me show you. You'll go to app.schoolpsych.ai. You're going to click on Tools and then click Email Generator. The side panel will pop out and you're going to type in the email subject and then maybe who the email is for. So we're going to select parents for this example. And then you can provide any relevant details. So I might put scheduling and IEP. And then you'll click on generate email. And Sophia is going to take the purpose of that email, who it's for, and she is going to generate a draft that you can then use to help save time. So let's see what she came up with. We've got an email subject. We've got the body of the email here, a closing, and she even included a confidentiality notice for email. Super cool. So then from there, you would just click on the clipboard to copy it, drop it into your email provider, make any tweaks that you see necessary, and go from there. Give it a try and let us know what you think.